All right, y'all. Welcome to the new YouTube video. This one, if you couldn't tell by the title or thumbnail, I'm going to break down exactly how my boy Austin went from being an in-home sales rep in Florida to now about to make $15,000 in his first month. We're more than halfway through the month, and he's pacing that on the low end. This is not an average result. This is not a normal result. You should not expect to get this result, but I wanted to make a video on this because it's happened to other people before, and it's cool to know what's possible if you're truly put in the right position to succeed. If you don't know who I am, this is the first video you're seeing of me. My name is Dylan. In 2022, I did exactly what Austin did. I left the roofing sales job to go remote. Over the course of 2022 and 2023, I basically built my dream life by being a remote closer and then slowly stepped into management. Once I got into management, I ended up going into like a sales agency model, built that up to 30 reps, sold it, and now I'm just running this community that I've been running since late 2022. Oh, by the way, the community started because people started asking me on social media, like, how'd you do what you're doing? So that's why the community exists, and it's pretty damn good. You're about to see in this video. So I'm going to start this off by just like, don't believe me, okay? Don't believe me. Believe, I'm going to switch tabs here. This from our open floor live call that took place June 17th, yesterday. Just listen to this really fast. I'll shut up. So don't take it from me, take it from him. Now let's get into the process. So you know where he's at now. You heard the call that happened yesterday, the quote from him. Let's zoom out and let me take you through the process of how this happened. So a little bit about this guy, Austin. Solid dude. So he's got that home exterior sales background in Florida. Younger guy, mid-20s, no abnormal financial responsibilities. From what I know, no kids, no mortgage, no crazy car payment. Lives a pretty chill life. I think he has a degree, but the fact that I don't know that just shows you how important that is in this space. So not super important, not really a deal breaker. Definitely more personable than most. He's one of those sales guys that's going to win you over by being your buddy, something that he had in his pocket to help him out. He wasn't necessarily in a rush. Some people get into this industry in a rush and they make poor decisions. That wasn't him. He was willing to hold out longer to find something sustainable, something he liked, and ultimately something that led him to be remote. So here's the process. I run Instagram ads. If you're watching this on YouTube, maybe there's a chance you discovered me on Instagram. I run those. He found me on one of those, just like many of you. We chatted on Instagram. I sent him a message. So if you're from my Instagram, there's a good chance you got a message from me like this as well. And he's interested in learning more about remote stuff. All right, had to change the scene up. I had to plug in my laptop. So we started chatting on Instagram, got into things, trying to figure out what he's looking to do, why he's looking to leave his current role, what has him interested in this. And this was back in January, okay? And then we just I sent him a bunch of content. So watched some community member interviews, watched some other YouTube stuff, and just familiarized him with what this industry is. If I've ever talked with you on Instagram or any of these platforms, I'm not the guy who's going to push anybody into a sales call. My thing is like, look, this is what we're doing on the inside. We'll show you. Once you believe that, shoot, man, this is actually real. That's kind of how we run things. We'll just chat in the Instagram DMs. He watched the content. He had an application call to join our community with Diego, who is the guy that handles all the enrollments, and he got access to the community. So if you look at how this is color coded here, the purple stuff is like what he had coming into this, what he wanted. The blue stuff are actions that he took on his own to get this result. The orange is following our community process to achieve this result. The red is like a hybrid between the two. So had that call with Diego, got access to the community immediately. What we tell people to do before their first call, which is within a day or two with our CSM, is started watching course materials and then started showing up to the live calls. One thing I'll say about Austin is like, he's had better attendance than most people in our community live calls. No wonder he's getting this kind of result. I've seen people join our community, pay, not a cheap amount of money and not do a single thing with it. But time and time again, the guys who do the most with it typically get the best results. He did these two things. Within a day or two, he had his one-on-one onboarding call with our CSM, Carolyn. That's where we get your application tracker. We make sure you understand the full next steps for you. The very first 30 to 45 days inside our community is very, very structured. We don't leave anything up to guesswork. We have this super dialed in so that way when you do this, you know exactly what is next, what is next, what is next. Why it stops at 30, 45 days is because that's when it really, the result that you start to get is dependent on how many applications you do, how many interviews you do, what is the hit rate on those. And so that's where people start to like really differ based on how much work they put in. We can't do that for you guys. So he started watching course material, started going through the open floor calls, one-on-one call, and then he had his custom roadmap call. So when you join our community, we have a series of 4 or 5 calls, 4 with me, that are either one-on-one or small group. This custom roadmap call is where I will get on with up to 3 people, 3 new members, usually 1 or 2 people and me in a call. And we're going to go through, you fill out a new member form. We're going to go through the form submission. And by the end of the call, the goal is for you to understand exactly what kind of role you should aim for and why that is. And so we don't want you, if you're brand new to sales, we don't want you delusionally applying to stuff that you're not qualified for. But at the same time, if you have a lot of sales experience, you probably shouldn't be starting at appointment setting. And we're going to tell you, here's why you should go here based on all this stuff, based on what's important to you. We're going to look at what you can and can't do, what you do and don't prefer, what is normal in this industry. And then we're going to make sure that, again, by the end of the call, you know where you should go and you know why you should go there. And then the rest of what we build is based on that. So custom roadmap call is the very first call that I have with the members if it's not like a general open floor call. Between that call and the next call, we have members prep the go-to-market assets. So it's like the resume, the Loom video, and I didn't put it on here, but he also went and kind of like made his setup better. I think he bought a camera, not mandatory, but definitely helps. So he just started prepping his stuff. He's going through the course material, getting familiarized with the industry, prepping himself to be the best applicant he possibly can. And then we have the market positioning call. So on the market positioning call, this is where we're going to make sure that, okay, we know where you're most likely to land and why that is. Now let's backfill the space and make sure you are the absolute best applicant for that. So a big portion of this call is us focusing on the resume. Now, having a physical resume is a huge asset because nobody has it in this space. But in going through and building the resume, I mean, yes, it's valuable to have a resume. Not everybody asks for it in this industry. And so what is more valuable is understanding how to talk about your experience in a way that actually matters to somebody who's in a different industry than you. Okay, so whether you have sales experience or not, we go through a process to make sure that we're pulling out the best parts of what you've done, including giving you guys like access to the custom AI stuff, the custom resume writer, a lot of templates like before and afters. So we had the market positioning call to make sure like, okay, resume's good. We know how to position your past experience. You know how to film a Loom video. Here's some examples. And we just make sure that this applicant is ready to go to market. Once this call happens, the market positioning call, you are officially green lighted to go to market and apply for jobs. Now, most people after this market positioning call, there's a little bit of back and forth between myself and them to just put the finishing touches, get from 90% to 100% on these things. So after this, Austin finalized his resume and he was practicing Loom videos. You'll see here, he's sending me this. This is a blooper, but like sending me stuff. And then I was letting him know I did some work on the resume. I don't advertise this, and this is not guaranteed to anyone, but on most of the members' resumes, like I remake a lot of them, to be honest with you. I'm not going to add that as like a deliverable, but you can see resume 1, resume 2, resume 3. It's a little blurred for a reason. I don't want his personal stuff all out there, but resume 3 is a lot better than resume 1, and the contents of it specifically are much better as well. So he finalized the resume and practiced the Loom videos, and then he applied to 3 jobs inside our community. So we give people this application tracking sheet. I told you every single member has it. This is how we tell if what you're doing is actually working or not, if there's any bottlenecks. Austin applied to 3 jobs. We post 10 to 20 jobs per day. He applied to 3 and he tracked them here. Job number 2. Okay, I put a big X here because the flow was messed up. He did apply to 3 jobs. He got the green light. And then we had our progress audit call. So the progress audit call is a call that we have, and all these calls are 1 week apart. We're talking about one of 2 things. And again, this is with me and up to 3 people, but it's usually like 1 or 2. Talking about 1 or 2 things. 1, we have interviews, we have stuff cooking, we have offers potentially. Let's evaluate the numbers and make sure this is what we actually want it to be. And, it's a good opportunity. On the flip side of that, if we don't have that, we are going to evaluate why we do not have that. And I will tell you guys, it always comes down to the same thing, which is they just did not apply to jobs. Everybody's situation is different. Some people have to be more selective. Some people can be more open and broad. Some people can apply. They have the time to apply to hundreds of jobs. Actually, nobody's ever came and had to apply to hundreds, but hypothetically, hundreds. The progress audit call is like, okay, whatever is next for you. And honestly, this is where a lot of people split off, because after this market positioning call, when you're green lighted to start applying, some people have the time to apply to 10 per day. Some people can only apply to 10 per week. And some people are a lot more likely to land jobs from the jump, like Austin. Anyways, we get into the progress audit call. He applied to 3 jobs. He's being selective. We knew that from the beginning. He landed an initial interview on his second application. Landed an interview from the hiring channel post. Badass. Okay. And as you can see here, he was applying to the hiring channel closer roles. Got his interview, and then he did pre-interview prep. Now, I actually know the people that he was interviewing with, and so we did a few things here. I sent him some interviews for him to research to get more knowledgeable than all the other applicants. I also let him know that it was one of these dudes' birthdays, and definitely by him having this information handy, because we posted this job in the hiring channel and he had like backdoor information, and he was in the community, which has a good rap, especially with this group. He was a good candidate. So he did pre-interview prep. He had a group interview, and he also had a mock call that he did with a community member and then submitted it to them. He got accepted into this closing role. Guy asked him to text him personally, sent me the screenshot, and then he's training up, working past Offer Kings. They were doing some restructuring, and now to this day, he's taking a ton of good calls on a good offer with another community member who I could probably make the same video with. It's just them two running this. And that leads us to yesterday when he says this, the quote that I told you on our live call, which is 15 on the low end, month 1, remote closing. Now, guys, this is not rocket science. If I just show you guys 54 minutes ago, 8 offers, 4 hours ago, 1 setters needed, 17 hours ago, 17 offers hiring 22 hours ago, closer needed 1 day ago. Like, we've already been doing this for a long time. This is your bottleneck. You could go through hundreds of hours of sales training, but if you have the application prep to get you in the right position to just be first, to be the fastest, to be the most legitimate candidate, despite your actual sales experience, you have our community backing. I promise you guys, this is way easier. In fact, just pause again to pull this up. In fact, in May, last month, we posted 237 jobs. You can pause and look at the numbers. You can look at the niches. Average earnings was $10,875 per month. All of these are verified to a certain extent to know they're at least worth posting. They come from a trusted source. Google Sheet is floating around, and if you click the link here, it's going to take you to apply to the school group. You're not going to get anywhere with that. It's not a free group. You need to book a call here if you'd like to join. So that's pretty much that, you guys. That's how Austin, home exterior, basically selling roofs in Florida, went from doing well in roofing sales, home exterior sales, to realizing he wanted to change, to realizing, hey, it would be really badass to work from wherever. Now he's selling for someone. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly who he's selling for, but it's someone in the small business acquisition space, something he is particularly interested in. He's already kind of looking into going through the materials and setting himself up to eventually become a user of what he is selling, which is freaking sweet. Last things here, you guys, my CTAs, as you know, firstly, go down in the description. There's going to be a bunch of links for you. I have a personal newsletter that I would really like for you to join. I write about high ticket sales. I write about building businesses. I write about being me. I write about training for a sub 3 hour marathon. I write about everything that is online money, online sales. It's cool to just like wake up and write emails some days. Go subscribe to that. If you want to book a call to go through the process that Austin went through and get access to 200 plus jobs per month, that link, I think that's the first one down there, the TSSC application call. It's not free. It's not cheap. We tell you how much it is on there if you want to go see. Other than that, subscribe to Because of Sales. So Because of Sales is my newer project after I sold the agency, and it is basically a newsletter / media company focused on just the broad sales niche, showing you guys how sales can be the vehicle to unlock you a really awesome life. So we want to help you make it easier, make it better, create more leverage. So that way, on the other end of this hard work is a life that you really, really enjoy. Sales changed my life from being a complete introvert and the opposite of a sales guy to being someone who has everything he can ask for and more. And that is not just like a financial thing. You guys, appreciate the support. I appreciate you watching. If you're trying to be like my guy, Austin here, go down below, book a call with us, and let me know in the comments. If you guys have questions, I'll answer everything. And if you guys want to see any particular type of content, let me know and I'll make it. Peace. Good luck out there.